Hello, we're at 9950 Vine Street in Thornton, Colorado. Today's date is October 1st, 2025 at approximately 2:24 p.m. We are doing a sewer scope after a belly repair. We are approximately at the main city tap connection, which is about 97 feet from this clean out downstairs. Alrighty, let's get started. You can see there's your main city tap connection. There's a good connection there. The line all the way up to the spot repair is the line all the way to the repair is SDR plastic. There's a transition from SDR to PVC plastic. Good transition there. And as you can see, there is no longer accumulation of water. The belly is gone. It's all flowing downhill pretty good. You can see nowhere in the line is there accumulation of water. It's all good, flowing downhill properly now. Alrighty, that concludes our scope. Thanks for watching.